close. Where are we?
On a plane. It's hot.
All of a sudden down.
Yeah.
Where's Chad?
Not here. Where are we going? Where are we going?
We're going to get in the shade
I know.
at the barber shop.
We both have to do our hair over here.
No, I did mine. We're going to Orlando, Florida.
Florida? Is that where Orlando is? In Florida?
Yeah.
I didn't
Orlando,
know.
New Jersey.
This is like really close. Like I can't really extend anymore. This is awkward. I don't know what to do. That's not better, no? Well, anyway.
Good.
We're going to Disney World.
Where are you?
I didn't even know you were just like stuck the phone up and you were like, okay, let's go.
Yeah, we film on our phone usually until...
In the airport.
until we get out of
it's
here.
just easier because like the camera's like big to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway.
Just the sound's different, that's all.
We're at MCO.
Here we are, and I see something up ahead there. It says Walt Disney World store.
We're here by ourselves for our Babymoon.
Yeah.
Thanks to my parents for watching Jagger for 4 days. I don't know. This is a quick
days.
trip. It's quick.
A couple days.
I don't think we
The
explained
vlogs
what
will
we
be
were doing.
short. We'll
Yeah.
kind of try to do like 2 videos a day, maybe.
No, that's not what we're doing.
Usually we end up with...
I'm not filming that much. No
I'm
offense.
just saying, sometimes
But we're
we
here
end
to
up with
enjoy
4
ourselves.
a day, so it's like half of what we're going to do. We're going to enjoy a lot. So we'll only film snippets.
Yeah, it's gonna be quick.
Yeah.
But we're staying at 2 resorts. I know it's like real short. We're doing 1 resort tonight, and then we're staying 2 nights at another resort. 2 that we've always wanted to stay at, so we're really super excited to. We never have before. We've always visited, but never stayed.
Yeah.
So you'll find out where we're staying later.
And there it is. This is where you got your sweater that you couldn't find
That's not even funny.
in
I could not.
last time.
I wanted the 50th sweatshirt, like the black one with the gold all over it, and I couldn't find it anywhere, at least in my size. Like literally, we're here for a week and I couldn't find it. And like right before we got on the plane, I was like, let's just try. And sure enough, they had it. So don't count it out.
And the Universal store here, if you don't go to Universal, you can still get Back to the Future stuff.
It's true.
The guy did last time.
That is true.
All right, let's find an Uber. Your wish has come true.
I wish.
You're staying at the Grand Floridian
Yes.
for one night, but still.
It's our first resort.
First
Yeah.
monorail resort, and the monorail's right there.
Yes, that's true. Very excited.
Yeah.
It's really hot. We just got dropped off.
Yeah.
And we were gonna like check our bags at the front just so we can like kind of do our own thing because we didn't know when our room was gonna be ready. And literally as they gave us our tags,
Yeah.
the room was ready. So
I was about to transfer.
we're just gonna go right to the room to drop off our stuff and then go from there.
I was about to transfer some of my stuff
You
from
were?
bag to bag, and
He
of
was
course
like-
it's wide open.
He was that guy like on the floor opening.
My
his
pants are falling
suitcase.
down, and then boom, our room's ready.
Oh,
Oh yeah, there's the
Jagger
pool.
would love that.
Well,
That's
next
gonna
time.
be. That's all I'm gonna be saying
Yeah.
the whole time. I feel bad. Sorry. Jagger would love that.
You would.
You would, yeah.
Oh, I heard the clicking of the luggage.
What are you doing?
Speechless.
Choking on M&Ms because he was hungry. This is gorgeous. So I told Ryan not to make a mess yet because I figured the room tour should happen now. I'm just pointing the camera at you the whole entire
I
time.
started making a mess.
No, I know. I know you did.
Look at the details.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Like, I'm going out of order, but like, look at the lights. Like, okay, you see like the little birds, and then wait for it. That one right there is a penguin. Now,
Mary Poppins.
you beat me to it. I was gonna say, do you know why? Because we are in the brand new resort studios at the Grand Floridian. So these are brand new rooms, and they're Mary Poppins themed. Look. I'm going out of order. We're just
Yeah,
gonna do like completely out of order
No one
room
starts
tour
from the
here.
back and goes forward.
You're right.
Do that.
But do people care about the front?
Not really. It's a door.
Isn't it? Right. But it's like when you walk in, like that's what people care about. It's like the first like look, and we both gasped when we. Oh, we just want to show them the view. Okay.
Yeah, sun first.
Yeah. We have a lagoon view straight over to the Poly. And that is, all that construction you see there with the cranes is going to be the new DVC tower at the Polynesian, which we are hoping is going to be our future home, because yes, we are looking into it. And right below it, that little like white triangle looking thing kind of is the wedding pavilion.
Wow.
Yeah, so this is really, really nice. And then we'll eventually take you out, but that's a little balcony. This is so cute. What do you think?
Perfect. You know what? This balcony's perfect when we bring Jagger here next time, because there's no way.
This trip is all about
there's
Jagger.
no way to
and
get
he's not here. Out?
You know,
That's true.
It's not as.
That's true. So
scary.
when we stayed at Saratoga, we were on like the, I don't know, the second or third floor, and it was very open, which he was safe. We were watching him, but it's scary. I understand what you mean. So this is what the room looks like. We did rent DVC points, and this is like the standard points.
Yeah.
This is what we got. This is gorgeous, especially for the two of us. I believe, you know what, I don't know if it comes in just the king bed, so don't quote me, but ours is 2 queen beds, and very, I don't know, it's just, you're right, Ryan, there's just so many details.
I really like the color too. Of the blue.
Yes, this blue.
And the ceiling is high, so you don't feel.
It is, so it kind of
Right
goes,
here.
yeah, well, like it goes like this.
It's like a barn.
Kind of.
A little bit, you know, like a stable.
Yeah,
But I
kind
think
of.
it's because, you know.
Is this, I think this is
it
another
open.
bed actually,
Yeah, I think so.
which,
I'm not gonna attempt to.
no, don't attempt to open it because I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know how it would fit with that, but even if you're just like a tall, long person, you can fit on that because it's like a double couch. So it's cool.
Yeah, it's definitely a bed. You just
Yeah.
don't know how to do it.
And then, so obviously we're all going backwards, so you would think there's coffee in there, right? Nope, it's a hairdryer. I know, I thought the coffee was
Hair
there.
products.
No, what did I do?
You left your straightener on the Uber ride
did.
to the airport.
To the airport in New Jersey, not here. So there's that. It's really hot out though, so I probably won't be straightening my hair anyway. But the coffee is here. You get K-cups, and obviously with a studio DVC room, you do get your microwave, you do get your coffee maker. If you get the 1 bedrooms, is when you get, or 1 bedroom or above really, is when you get your kitchen, your full kitchen. So I'm going to assume, because I didn't open it yet, this is the fridge. Yes, it is. Or a beverage cooler. Don't be confused because we were. And then the closets here, open. There's lights in the closets, guys. I mean, come on, it's fancy. Anyway, safe.
Nice.
Handheld steamer. Handheld steamer. Excuse me. And the robes. You got extra pillow and blanket. And a full-size mirror.
Yay.
Yay! Okay, then this way.
Take these home.
Here's the bathroom. What did you say?
So do we get to take these home?
They're paper coasters. You want them?
It's kind of cool.
Okay, sure. You can take the paper coasters, whatever you want.
Paper, because people take them.
Okay, so we made our way. So this is the bathroom. Yep, there's my bump. So the closets are there. Yeah, well, we match. So here's the bathroom. Double sinks. I love the gold in this bathroom. Yeah. There's a lot of room. If I move back, like there's just a lot of room.
Yeah.
And they're still showing H2O products here, which is perfect because I'm obsessed. And then you have the door here. It's a barn door, yeah. For your, let me get the light, sorry. Boom.
Wow.
Standard shower and tub.
Look at the shampoo and all that's on the wall.
Yes, so that's
nice.
Yep, a dispenser like that.
Nice. Beautiful.
Yeah. So regular bathroom. It's very nice. It's so spacious and it's new. I mean, it's new. And then obviously that's the front door. We literally did this tour backwards. So if I stand at the front door, this is what the room looks like.
There it is. Grand Floridian.
Bathroom, closet, room. Ryan. We are making a stop at the character warehouse.
Neon, yellow, Luke Skywalker.
It's just like a flag type thing. Oh, okay.
It was magic.
It was. All of a sudden there was like 1 million people, so we just kind of stopped, checked out. You know what's better than Must Do Disney with Stacy? I don't know if this is better, but it's A Welcome from Josh Tomorrow. So we're totally gonna watch this right now. Ryan? Can you? I don't know. Can you imagine? Is he going to speak?
It's Mickey.
Oh, here he is.